Welcome to our video on the top 5 best running shoes of 2025. The perfect running shoes offer comfort, support, and durability. Look for cushioned midsoles, breathable materials, and a snug fit. Consider arch support, traction, and lightweight designs for better performance. Brands like Adidas, Nike, and Asics excel in quality. Pick shoes that match your foot type and running style. So, let's get started. Number 5. Adidas Men's Swift Run Sneaker, stylish and comfortable footwear. The Adidas Men's Swift Run Sneaker is a perfect blend of comfort and style, making it an excellent choice for everyday wear. Designed for those who appreciate a sporty yet casual look, these sneakers offer superior cushioning and support. Key features: care instructions, machine wash for easy maintenance. Sole material: durable rubber sole ensures traction and longevity. Closure type: lace-up design provides a secure and adjustable fit. Water resistance level: not water resistant, best suited for dry conditions. About this item: 100% rubber construction, delivers durability and long-lasting performance. Made in the USA or imported, quality craftsmanship with global standards. EVA Sole, ethylene vinyl acetate. EVA Sole enhances comfort and flexibility. Low top design: the shaft measures approximately low top from the arch, offering ankle mobility. Regular fit with sizing note: the Swift Run sneaker runs large, so sizing down is recommended for an optimal fit. Lightweight EVA midsole provides superior cushioning for all-day wear. Ortholite sock liner enhances comfort and performance, keeping feet fresh and supported. These sneakers are ideal for casual outings, light exercise, and everyday streetwear. Their sleek design and cushion support make them a go-to option for men seeking both style and function in their footwear. The next is number 4. Nike Pegasus Running Shoes, comfort, performance, and style. Nike running shoes set a benchmark for runners, combining innovative design with superior comfort. Designed for all levels of runners, these shoes offer unparalleled support and durability to keep you going mile after mile. Enhanced breathability for maximum comfort: the upgraded engineered mesh upper ensures excellent breathability, keeping your feet cool during long runs or intense workouts. This lightweight material molds to your feet, providing a snug and secure fit. Responsive cushioning for an energized ride: Nike integrates its cutting-edge Reactex foam midsole, which works seamlessly with forefoot and heel air zoom units to deliver a responsive and cushioned ride. This combination provides enhanced energy return, reducing fatigue and allowing for smoother strides. Superior traction and flexibility: the signature waffle-inspired rubber outsole offers reliable traction on various surfaces. Its flexible design adapts to your movement, ensuring stability and agility whether you're running on roads, trails, or tracks. All-day comfort and secure fit: the plush collar, tongue, and sock liner ensure a secure and comfortable fit. They reduce pressure points, allowing for distraction-free runs and minimizing the risk of discomfort during extended use. A reliable partner for every runner, Nike Pegasus running shoes are the ideal choice for runners seeking a blend of performance and style. Whether you're training for a marathon, hitting the gym, or enjoying a casual jog, these shoes provide the support and durability you need. The next is number 3. New Balance Men's Fuel Cell Elite V4 Running Shoe, peak performance for elite runners. This running shoe is engineered to deliver superior speed and performance. Designed with cutting-edge technology and premium materials, this shoe is perfect for competitive runners seeking an edge. Advanced Fuel Cell Midsole: years of research culminated in the development of the Fuel Cell Midsole, crafted with PIBA for exceptional energy return. This innovation ensures a responsive and dynamic ride, allowing runners to maintain peak performance throughout their race or training session. Energy Arc Technology: the Energy Arc pairs sport-specific carbon fiber plate geometry with strategically placed midsole voids. This unique design enhances energy storage and delivers an increased return with each stride, helping runners achieve greater efficiency and momentum. Seamless transitions with rocker profile: the shoe features a rocker profile that promotes a smooth and natural transition from heel to toe. This design helps reduce fatigue and supports a more efficient running stride, ideal for long distances and high-intensity sessions. Lightweight support and durability. The Phantom Fit upper provides ultra-light bonded support, ensuring a secure yet breathable fit. Combined with a solid rubber outsole, this shoe offers durability and grip without adding unnecessary weight. Stylish and functional design. Crafted with a mesh outer and sole, the FuelCell Elite V4 prioritizes both style and performance. The lace-up closure allows for a customized fit, catering to individual preferences and needs. Whether you're chasing a new personal best or competing at the highest level, the New Balance Men's FuelCell Elite V4 running shoe is built to propel you forward. With its innovative features and athlete-focused design, this shoe is a game-changer for elite performance. The next is Number 2. WHITIN Men's Barefoot Running Shoes. Ultimate comfort and flexibility. Discover the perfect blend of functionality and comfort with WHITIN Men's Barefoot Running Shoes. Designed for runners seeking natural movement and balance support, these shoes deliver a seamless running experience. Key features. Care instructions. Enjoy easy maintenance with machine-washable fabric. Sole material. The durable rubber sole ensures long-lasting performance and excellent grip. Outer material. Made with breathable mesh for superior ventilation. Pronation. Designed for neutral pronation, catering to most runners' needs. About this item. 1. Padded rear collar pad. The rear collar is cushioned to provide Achilles comfort, preventing discomfort during extended runs. 2. 5 mm power footbed. Offers optimal underfoot cushioning, enhancing comfort without compromising the barefoot feel. 3. Engineered knit upper. Features a sock-like fit for flexibility and a snug, comfortable feel. 4. Zero drop sole. With no elevation, the sole promotes proper posture and natural balance, mimicking the barefoot experience. 5. Sticky grip rubber outsole. This trail-ready outsole combines grip, traction, and durability, making it ideal for various terrains. Whether you're hitting the trails or strolling around the city, WHITIN Men's barefoot running shoes are engineered to provide the ultimate natural running experience. The zero-drop design encourages proper alignment, while the sticky grip outsole ensures excellent traction on rugged paths. The lightweight engineered knit upper adapts to your foot's movements, offering a sock-like feel. For runners prioritizing comfort and performance, these barefoot shoes deliver unmatched versatility. From casual jogs to intense trail runs, elevate your athletic game with the WHITIN Men's Barefoot Running Shoes. The next is Number 1. Brooks Men's Ghost 16 Neutral Running Shoe. Elevate your running experience with the Brooks Men's Ghost 16 Neutral Running Shoe, a versatile companion for runners seeking a smooth and distraction-free ride. With thoughtful design and sustainable features, this shoe is perfect for road running, cross-training, or gym sessions. Key features. Designed for runners, the Ghost 16 is ideal for those seeking a secure fit and seamless experience. Featuring a refined 3D fit print, this shoe ensures a snug and comfortable fit. It is certified as a PDSE A5500 diabetic shoe and holds the ABMA seal of acceptance. Moreover, it's a carbon-neutral product, reflecting Brooks's commitment to sustainability. Soft cushioning. The nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning provides neutral support and lightweight comfort, suitable for various activities, from walking to high-intensity training. Smooth transitions. With a segmented crash pad and soft midsole, this shoe delivers effortless transitions from landing to toe-off, ensuring a distraction-free running experience. Breathable upper. The engineered air mesh upper combines stretch and structure, offering optimal breathability and comfort during runs. Road Tack rubber outsole. Featuring a durable, lightweight rubber compound with recycled silica, this outsole enhances rebound and durability, making it suitable for diverse road conditions. Why choose the Ghost 16? With its balance of performance, comfort, and eco-conscious design, the Brooks Men's Ghost 16 is a top choice for runners. The neutral support and advanced cushioning cater to a wide range of activities, while its breathable upper keeps your feet fresh throughout. Whether you're chasing a personal best or enjoying a leisurely jog, the Ghost 16 delivers an unparalleled running experience. So this is the best option for you to buy.